Hi my lovely viewers, welcome to Kanak's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare chocolate modak. This is a special kind of sweet which is prepared in India during the time of Ganpati festival, and it is served as offering or prasad to Lord Ganesha. So today I'm gonna show you how to prepare this simple yet delicious chocolate modak in a simple step-by-step way using some chocolate molds. So let's see what you need for this. For the stuffing, in a bowl, add in the condensed milk, and to this add in the sugar and stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. So for this, make sure the condensed milk is at room temperature and not from the fridge, otherwise you will find problem in dissolving it. Now the mixture will become little thick. So next add in the milk and again mix well. Also add in the cardamom powder over here for flavoring. Now you can see it has come to smooth flowing consistency. Next goes in the desiccated coconut and the mixed nuts, and mix everything properly until you see all the moisture has been nicely taken by the coconut and comes together to form a sticky dough-like consistency. Now with the help of greased hands, make small roundels this way and keep it aside. This will be using as a stuffing for our chocolate modaks. Now melt the chocolate in the microwave until it is smooth and glossy and it is free of any kind of lumps, and let the chocolate rest just for 2 minutes. Here I've got the modak shaped molds tray which I'll be using, and this is easily available in the market. Now fill half of the cavity with the melted chocolate in all of them slowly this way. Tap them a bit and then gently place the coconut mixture ball into it, pressing it slightly to go inside in all of them, and then again fill the remaining cavity with the melted chocolate up to the top. And now again tap it once again to even out the top and put it in the fridge to set for 15 to 20 minutes or until set properly. Once set, turn the tray upside down to remove the chocolate modaks. You can see how nicely they have come out with smooth and glossy finish. Now these lovely chocolate modaks are ready. So my lovely chocolate modaks are ready, as you can see, and if you want you can also prepare this with some white chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate or any other chocolate of your choice, and you can also stuff it inside with some other nuts or even caramel. So let's see how is it. It's really yummy and delicious with all the coconut flavors and the nuts coming in your mouth with a crunchy coating of chocolate outside. And the combination of the coconut and the chocolate is really yummy. So do try this lovely recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. Also hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Kanak's Kitchen for more such lovely recipes. It's me Kanak signing off. Bye bye.